Hi guys, it's Mackenzie. I'm going to be doing a what's in my purse video. So yeah, this is just, okay. So first I'm going to show you my purse. So this is my purse. It just has some flowers, like some pretty really floral prints, and it has some backwash. It's like really cute. And my mom found it, and we found this at Claire's. And it has a strap. It's like a really long strap. Really cute though. I like it. And then you open it, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So we're gonna start with this pocket. There's lots of pockets. Here I just have a pack of gum. It's good gum. Then I have this pomegranate lip balm, and it smells really good. So just have that in there. And yeah, I'm really weird. Okay. Then here I have my wallet, which is also from Claire's. And sorry for the background noise. My window's open. and there's some construction going on. Yep. And it's like zebra. So it's really pretty. And I also got this from Claire's. I really like Claire's. If you haven't already, get soon. See? Do you see the label? Yeah. Okay. Just some cash. And then just some cards. So I have like a Cineplex card, a library card, and then like this card for half price books. And then I have this, I don't know, I should probably take this out. It's this motivator necklace, which I got at Aeropostale when they were doing the thing where you basically you buy something from the Bethany Moda line and you got a free motivator necklace, and I was one of the people. Yeah, I'm just actually going to take that out of my purse. Anyway, so, and then I have this Crimson Plum. I'm always confused by this, why it's not red, because it's crimson. And then this LA Colors lipstick duo thing. And then I have this. This is my huge pocket. And then I have this Paris Amour perfume, and it smells really good. It's glitter one. Sorry. Trying to quickly. Okay. There you go. And one more pocket. So, don't lose it. And then another pocket, I have this EOS. It's the pink one. And it just looks like that. I've never seen an EOS before. So yeah, it's the pink one. Sugar. I have a lot of random sticks. And then I have this Baby Lips Dr. Rescue Too Cool, because in the winter my lips got really chapped, but it's still really good, and my lips get really chapped. But yeah, as I told you, I'm posting more. Sorry, my hair so hot. I'm wearing a dress. It's like a really long dress. It's so hot. Yeah. It's 4 minutes. Okay. But yeah, that was in what's in my purse video, and I hope you enjoy.